Hello, I am Ferdinand. Welcome to Anything IT YouTube channel. I want to say thank you for liking, subscribing, and watching my videos. You're a very huge encouragement to me, and that helps me to do more. So sincerely, I say from my heart, thank you for your support. In this video, we are going to install Windows 10 in a VirtualBox. So we'll click on New, call it Windows 10. You see the location of our folders here. It's a Windows machine, Windows 10 64-bit. That's okay. Click on Next. Our RAM 2 gig, and that's fine. Processor, one processor. We click on Next. Let's 20. Yes, we don't have so much here. Click on Next. Finish. Okay, this is a summary. Click on Finish. Assuming you were not okay with any of those items, as you look at it, all you do is just click on Settings. And when you come to Settings, you see Windows 10 there. Error system. I don't want floppy, so I'm going to uncheck this floppy and remove the floppy. I don't want to use floppy in my system. Okay. And then that's a boot option though. And then come here, you see our display, the screen and everything, just see them there. And then I'll come over to storage, and this is where I'm going to load my ISO. That's my bootable. So I click on empty, select Windows 10 from here. Windows 10 ISO is here. Oh, my mouse be misbehaving. So Windows 10 ISO is there, and I pick it, come back, click on OK. I'm fine with that, and then I'll click on Start. Okay, and see from here that my window has started. So let's follow on. Windows 10 installation on. Yeah, here now I start my settings. This is the language setting. I'm okay. US English. Current time and format US. Okay, let's leave that. And then keyboard input US. Okay, I think we should go with that. All right, click on Next and then install. This is going to take some time, and at some points we are going to pause and come back, pause and come back, because if we allow the recording of everything, it's going to be too lengthy. Okay, so we'll pause and we'll return again. Okay, here we have to provide a license key. We don't have any product key, so click I don't have. Know that if you want to join a domain, you can only install either Pro or Enterprise version. So we are not going to make use of Home. I'm going to click on Pro. Okay, Pro 64-bit. Click on Next. And that is what we are going to install, and that's what we'll be using. Now we accept the license term and click on Next. We don't have any existing Windows to upgrade, so we are going to select Custom. We install it on our 20 gig. That's fine. All right. So this process is going to start, and this will take some time. We're also going to pause at this point, and when we are done, we will return. So the system is going to reboot in just a few seconds, and then we'll complete the installation. Getting things ready. Okay, 100%. Yeah, 100%. Okay. Wow, you're here. So select a language. Let me leave it at US. Just a moment again. Keyboard input. US. Escape. Guys, I thought I was do our thing too. Man, the moment we're waiting. Windows was like just a moment. I need to take 30 minutes or 1 hour. Man, I'm gonna set up for organization, all right? Allow me join a domain. Let's go. Just a moment. It's asking for my name. That's my name. Call user 1. Yeah. Next. On my password, I'm gonna create a password here. Yeah. Click on next. Confirm password. Password. Security questions again. Pet name, anything IT. Yeah. Second question. Nickname, anything IT. Yeah. And third question, the cousin, anything IT. Okay. Just a moment. Browsing data. No, not now. It's gonna cause my system to lag. So I'm going to turn them off. I'm going to turn them off. Also, I'm just using this for tutorials. I don't need anything causing my system to freak out. Yeah. Let's customize. I don't want all this. Well, container. Can you just let me have some less place? Skip it. Yeah, it does. Yeah. Well, what we'll do is to pause this and we'll come back after it has done its own thing, all right? Wow. We know it's there. Man, yeah, finally. Okay, our network is connected. It shows that, yeah, window is working. Everything is working. It's well. Okay. Already network connected. It's searching for drivers already. Okay. See everything. All that is there. All the programs are there. Okay. Everything is installed. It's fine. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.